Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport, as designated by the FLF 56 case code on the case here. Mix C, so this is Mix C 957C, and that is mix number 3 for 2024. This was sent over by One Stop Diecast, so thank you, One Stop Diecast, for sending this over to share, and we will pop this open and see what's inside. So I mean, the photos are out of this, obviously. The photos are on orangecheckdiecast.com, so you can go there and check out, early, photos of all these vehicles anytime you want. As soon as they're available, I put them up on the site. And let's check out the 4 team transports in this case. So we'll start with the one that is 2 to the case here. It is the Mercedes set. You got the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, and that's paired with the 55 Mercedes-Benz Bloss Wonder. My best German accent possible there. So this, you kind of have like a vintage racetrack in the background. So, and then we just recently saw this transporter in the Jay Leno's Garage premium display, right? So we have this set, and then times 2. So, and then as a collector of the 55 Mercedes 300 SL, I definitely can appreciate this release of the casting. Get a decent look at it there. So that is set number 1 of this. Set number 2 is, well, set number 2 and 3 of this set are going to be pretty hot. We had the Liberty Walk set. Liberty Walk is always popular with the collectors. And then we have a kind of a dark, almost like a street scene here, maybe on a highway. I assume in Japan, where Liberty Walk is. So we get the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. That is the Ken Mary, but that is the Liberty Walk version of it. It is painted the exact same colorway, this kind of robin egg blue that the original basic / mainline came in. And now we get a truck to pair it in. So obviously we got the metal base on the premium version of this casting, and then the full deco. So you'll see like the taillights and stuff when I open this up here. But this is number 69. The other set is number 70. So we get, obviously, I mean, it's just nice to have, I always say this I think in every team transport, case unboxing that I do, it's so nice to have a matching hauler to go with some of these vehicles. Just for like, if you like to display your car as loose, you can put them in a case or something like that. So, and then if you watched my unboxing video the other day for the M case, we have the M case for basics. This is the tuned Liberty Walk version of the car that is appearing in basics right now. So, tuned, real deal. All right, and then lastly, the new casting, right? The new casting to this set is number 68 set, and that is this kind of VP Racing. So the first time we've seen VP Racing and Hot Wheels collide here. We get an AFX car in the 67 Chevy Nova. So a very cool AFX kind of gasser style vehicle. And then this is, we see the trailer, right? We've seen this trailer with like the rally van. It's got the little fire extinguisher on there and the double set of real riders. But the new casting here is the 88 Chevy Silverado 3500. So check that out. That is like it's not a dually, right? No, I think in real life it would be a dually, but in the Hot Wheels premium world, they're not going to throw on 2 sets of real riders. So, but you do get the extended wheel wells. Obviously the axle would be extended here. But, needless to say, this is a pretty cool casting. If you remember back in 1998, Hot Wheels released the customized 3500, right? Yeah. And it was kind of like a dark metallic flake, aqua kind of green. And that casting actually ran for a while. And it was actually, gained some popularity in the later years. But eventually it got discontinued, I think, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. And now we have a premium version, which is, I mean, far surpasses that original basics casting. So it's nice to see this, especially for the collectors that love the Chevy kind of box trucks nowadays. We have this just a very nice 90s, oh sorry, 80s. I mean, it was popular in the 90s as well. 3500 Chevy Silverado. So it's got the hitch on the back. So, I mean, I can't wait to see what else this is recolored in. But this deco is pretty cool by itself. Very American looking deco with the red, white, and blue. Got the blue painted car, blue stripes on top of the truck. The side trim is, you got the trim on the bottom is red. But very nice. Gray Real Riders. Real Rider 8 spokes. Oh, and the car's got the chrome. But very nice set. So this is Mix C. Thanks again to Stop Diecast for sending this over and sharing this with us. This is, you know, obviously the third mix of 2024. Still picking up. Still lots to see in 2024 in terms of car culture and team transport. So number 68 set, number 69, and number 70. We'll be at 100 before we know it. All right, well, thanks for watching, and look for more OrangeTrackDiecast.com content.